Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Day 9 of the NBA playoffs, April 27, 2026. The Toronto Raptors beat the Cleveland Cavaliers 93-89 and tie series at 2-all. Scottie Barnes hit the go-ahead free throws in the final minute and finished with 23 points. Brandon Ingram also scored 23 and the Toronto Raptors beat the Cleveland Cavaliers, tying the Eastern Conference first-round playoff series at 2 games apiece. The best of seven series shifts to Cleveland for Game 5 on Wednesday, Thursday night Philippine time. RJ Barrett scored 18 points for the Raptors, who won despite shooting 4 for 30 from three-point range. Barnes had 9 rebounds and 6 assists as Toronto walked back-to-back postseason games for the first time since the first round loss to Philadelphia in 2022. Donovan Mitchell scored 12 of his 20 points in the fourth quarter and Harden added 19, but the Cavaliers couldn't overcome an 18 turnover performance. Wembanyama returns from concussion and the Spurs beat the Blazers 140-93 to take 3-1 series lead. Victor Wembanyama had 27 points, 11 rebounds, and 7 blocks in his return from a concussion, and Aaron Fox added 28 points for the Spurs, who will return home for Game 5 as the San Antonio Spurs took a 3-1 lead in their first-round series against Portland Trail Blazers with a 140-93 victory. Stephon Casal chipped in 16 points with 8 assists. Danny Abdiha led the Trailblazers with 26 points and Drew Holiday added 20 points, 6 rebounds, 4 assists. Portland went ahead 45-28 in the first half on a 18-3 run. The Blazers led by as many as 19 in the half and were ahead 58-41 at the break. The Boston Celtics spoiled Embiid's return to action after appendectomy and beat the Philadelphia 76ers to take 3-1 series lead. Peyton Pritchard made 6 of Boston's 24 three-pointers and scored 32 points, and Jason Tatum had 30 points and 11 assists to help the Boston Celtics spoil Joel Embiid's return from an appendectomy and beat the Philadelphia 76ers for a 3-1 lead in their first round playoff series. Jalen Brown scored 20 points for the Celtics, who thumped the Sixers by 32 points for the second time in the series. The Celtics outrebounded the Sixers 51-30. Embiid scored 26 points in 34 minutes just 7 days after having an appendectomy. Embiid wasted little time scoring in his first game since April 6. The two-time NBA scoring champion sank 2 free throws for the Sixers' first points of the game, added a monster 200 jam and scored the team's first 8 points. All-star guard Tyrese Maxey took a backseat to Embiid and took only 3 shots in the first half. He scored 22 points for the Sixers. Amen Thompson Spurs Rockets 115-96 route to stave off elimination against the Los Angeles Lakers. Amen Thompson scored 23 points. Tari Eason added 20 in the Houston Rockets avoided elimination with a 115-96 rout of the Los Angeles Lakers in Game 4 of the Western Conference Playoff Series. Houston's entire starting lineup scored at least 16 points, with Alperen Sengun adding 19. The Rockets got their first win in the series after falling into a 0-3 hole despite missing Kevin Durant for the third time, thanks to balanced scoring attack. Durant sat out a second straight game with a sprained left ankle after missing game 1 with a bruised right knee. The Lakers were led by DeAndre Ayton, who had 19 points and 10 rebounds before being ejected with about 5.5 minutes left in the third quarter for a flagrant foul 2 on a hit to Singun's head. His output wasn't nearly enough to allow the Lakers to close the series out on a night when LeBron James didn't have his best game. He had 10 points on 2 of 9 shooting, with 9 assists and 8 turnovers before sitting with about 7.5 minutes to go after scoring 19, 28, and 29 points in first 3 games. But he wasn't the only Laker who struggled. Los Angeles made just 5 three-pointers after combining for 35 through the first 3 games. Let's proceed to the NBA playoffs games scheduled on April 28, 2026. Cade Cunningham and the Detroit Pistons will try to even their series before going home against Paulo Banquero and the Orlando Magic in Kia Center at 8 a.m. Philippine time or 8 p.m. Eastern time. Devin Booker and the Phoenix Suns will try to avoid a 4-0 sweep against Shai Gilgeous-Alexander and the Oklahoma City Thunder as they meet in Mortgage Matchup Center at 9:30 a.m. Philippine time or 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. Anthony Edwards and the Minnesota Timberwolves will try to close out their series against Nikola Jokic and the Denver Nuggets in Ball Arena at 10:30 a.m. Philippine time or 10:30 p.m. Eastern time. Let's proceed to the NBA playoff series standings as of April 27, 2026. Let's start with the Eastern Conference. Orlando Magic leads their series against Detroit 2-1. Boston Celtics leads their series against Philadelphia 76ers 3-1. Knicks and Atlanta Hawks series is tied at 2-2. Cleveland Cavaliers and Toronto series is also tied at 2-2. Let's proceed to the Western Conference. Oklahoma City Thunder leads their series against Phoenix Suns 3-0. San Antonio Spurs lead their series against Portland Trail Blazers 3-1. Minnesota Timberwolves lead their series against Denver Nuggets 3-1. And the Los Angeles Lakers leads their series against Houston Rockets 3-1.